Wow. That came out pretty quickly. I don't know what kind of wood this is. Oh well. Kind of fast for a low. Blades are kind of at a clock or whatever. I don't know. Fan's got a bit of wobble. Hole's really bad on medium. Looks to me like it's completely wobbly. Like everything, yeah, it's all wobbly. See, look at that. Look at this. It's really wobbly. Wow. Oh no. I don't know. Let's see. It's really wobbly on mediums. Let's see. Turn up the high. What we get? Huh. Oh, somewhat drops there. These are a little out of balance. These are way out of balance, I bet. Wow, it's pretty fast. Where's the size of this thing? I don't know. Hey, Fan Collector, help me out with this. I'll get the top of the tag leader. It's a pretty fast fan, if you ask me. Looks pretty fast. I mean, I don't know about fans this size being so fast. Looks like it's got a decently sized motor. It's got a sizable motor in it. It's a Harbor Breeze, I know that. Look at that, it's so fast. It's a fast fan. It's not 36, it's not 40. It doesn't look 42. I don't know if it's 42 or not. But look at that. I'll hit the camera, the blades, the fan will look pretty bad. So it's wobbly, but it's still pretty fast. For a fan. I don't know what causes all that wobble. Let's turn it off there. Wow. Yeah, well. Let's stop it to find out. I'll spin down later. I'll get a spin down later on this thing. Maybe, I don't know. What's the cause of the wobble? It's not the thing I just took off the fan. I mean... No tag. There's a tag. See if you guys can read it. I don't know what that says. I'll clean out the camera. Hold on. I don't care how long this video is. As long as it doesn't take up all the phone memory. I'll go from the phone. After I get on YouTube or whatever. After I get it up there. I'll get it to you guys before I move off the phone. Don't worry. We'll see what collectors like spin downs. I'll try to make out what the tag says later. Maybe we'll put it in the description. Oh well, let's do spin down. I'll get down here first of all. Don't get cut or whatever. No one else in here. Anyway, so yeah, let's don't get cut or whatever. Let's spin down. Let's turn up the high. They've ready to get up to speed. It's pretty fast. They're a pretty fast fan. It does move some good air. It's pretty fast though. I don't know how fast this thing's go. I mean, look at this thing. It's going. It's going pretty fast. Anything in there? I would say this thing is definitely going about nearly the speed of my spinner. It's getting close to my KD30. And this is not even a KD30. It's a 5-bladed fan here, bigger than a KD30. And it's made by a different manufacturer. It's branded Harbor Breeze, though. I had it come from Lowe's. See that there? It's branded Harbor Breeze. I don't know if these are original chains. They look original because they're the same finish as the chains coming out of the fan. Oh well, I said spin down. Let's turn it off here. We have someone come in here help me out with the balancing. I don't have my blade balancing kit with me right now. I don't have a blade balancing kit with me right now. This fan's really wobbly. For some reason, it is the balance of the blades. The blades look a little bit tilted up, like older, like spinners, Fasco Charleston fans or whatever. Whatever those other fans are that had them drop the flywheels and the blades are tilted up. Blades look like they're getting tilted up in this one too. I can get one of these myself, maybe at some point. I'll find out what the name of this fan is. See if I can find one for myself. If they're not discontinued, I'll find one for myself. And yeah. We're looking restores for these fans too. Other fans here, the Cheshire is my favorite. Out here, I want to get a Cheshire so bad too. Okay, finally stopped. Yeah, see here, the Cheshire. I want to get one of these myself. This one looks beat up. Look at that. Look at this one. It looks like someone beat it up or something. Blades are warped. Something's wrong with this one here. Let's see. There is something wrong with this one. I try to fix it. I don't know. There's something in there hiding in that motor. If I turn it on, what would happen? Yeah, listen to that. The sound of that thing rolling in the motor. This is high speed anyway. Can't stand it. Yeah, if this thing goes any faster, okay, I'm pretty sure A, the capacitor is bad in this thing. B, the fan's just beat up in general. I think they should replace the fan in here. You know, if I were to suggest to them what fan to replace it with, I don't know. Oh, look at that. It's so annoying. I can't even stand to be in here right now. I can't even stand to be in this room with this fan. I don't even know about the 4-weight holes. Let's see. I like that Cheshire. I don't like the noise it makes though when this one here runs. Okay. So yeah, it's about it on this one here. Put this one in here. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment in the comment section what this brand, what the manufacturer on this thing is. Cause I don't know. I want to get one myself. What's that unique finish are you seeing there? Just leave a comment down in the comment section down below. What the model name for this one is. I'll try to look for it. If I find one, please let me know. I want one so bad now. These fans are so fast. Oh, blades are skinny too. Look at that. Blades are pretty thin. Very narrow. Look at that. Size of Cheshire is not as big as that. I mean, I'm not fans of bigger with wider blades than that. The Northman even. Northman, whoever makes it. When I get a video of it, I'll leave the comment section open. Find out what the model of it is. I know who makes the fan. This one here, I know is Harbor Breeze. Again, I'll try to make out what the tag says later. Alright, bye.